Namaste. Last class we did Sakhi, no, we haven't finished. Only the Pallavi we've done. So what I would like you to do is do the Pallavi about 4 times, and then we'll go to the Anupallavi. Okay. So what happens in this particular Ashtapadi is that you draw your emotion from the Pallavi to the Anupallavi. It's not separate from the Pallavi, the Anupallavi. It has to flow. So the second line of this, which I said could be the Anupallavi, is Ramaya Maya Hedi Ramadu. Words of Ramaya Maya Saha Madana Manoratha Bhavitaya Savikaram. So Ramaya Maya Saha Madana Manoratha Bhavitaya Savikaram. So which basically means that when he frolicked with me, Ramaya Maya Saha Madana Manorita, one who was more handsome than Manmata himself, Savikaram. He was a Sakshat Rupa of Manmata, better than Manmata himself. So that is why I am so passionate about him. Sakhiye. Back to Sakhiye. Because you are telling Sakhi. You are not just telling it in vacuum. Whatever you're saying about your, it's fine. So what I would like you to do is just think about this. Do Sakhiye. Move to Anupallavi, Ramaya Maya, come back to Sakhiye and do Ramaya and Sakhiye together 4 times. Only Sakhiye 4 times. No, I'm here.
On my own?
Just show me what you have, and then I'll tell you what you've done and what needs to be improved, how you can build on that. Okay? So 4 times only Sakhiye and 4 times Ramaya Maya with Sakhiye. So Anupallavi with the Pallavi. Okay? So Rama will sing. You can stand and do if you want. First you do sitting and then you can stand up and do, yeah. Entry.
Sakhiye keshi madana mudam Sakhiye keshi madana mudam Sakhiye keshi madana mudara Sakhiye keshi madana mudara Ramaya Maya Madana Manoratha Bhavitaya Savikaram Sakhiye keshi madana Ramaya Maya Saha Madana Manoratha Bhavitaya Savikaram Sakhiye keshi madana रमय मया सह मदन मनोरथ भावितया सविकारं सखिय केशी मदद मुदा.
Good, good, very good. The only observation I have is when you spoke about the kissing part of it, your emotion was as if the Nayika was there, not as if Sakhi was there.
Like I was, it should be like I was thinking of him and
Not
with him.
with him. There's a difference between
That distinction.
relating the incident to a Sakhi and to actually experiencing it.
Okay, yes, I was with him there.
Yeah.
I wasn't thinking of him and relating to him.
No.
Yeah, you're right.
So always the presence of the Sakhi is in front of you.
So I can't get lost in
You
that.
can't get lost in that. A lot of dancers, what they do is when they start talking, they forget that the Sakhi exists. They don't come back to her at all. So she gets lost in the jungle and they do their own emotion and they just go on talking about Krishna and whatever else.
Right, yeah.
But it's very, very important to come back to Sakhi. And so when the emotion then is a little diluted,
Okay, and not
It is no-
completely in the act of
in the act of the love. So it's a little diluted and you're narrating it. It's a narration of what happened. So basically it's
Show
from
me
a,
how I can distinguish.
yeah, I'll show you that. Yeah, you do Ramaya Maya. Sakhi ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ.
सखी केशी मदन
I'll do that piece only.
रमय मया सह मदन मनोरथ भावितया सविकार
I have to relate that.
So when you're kissing also, that experience was so beautiful, you know.
Okay.
Come back to her. And he was standing there and he was so handsome. He was so handsome, you're telling her. So there are two things. One is memory and the other is a physical reality of a person who's standing in front of you. We'll try that. Standing up you can try. Maybe it'll be more easier for you to move.
This Ramaya.
From Sakhiye to Ramaya 4 times. So Sakhiye connected with Ramaya.
सखी
No. The fourth the Pallavi is over.
I have come, I have established, taken
Namaskar.
her, and I'm
Telling
telling her.
her.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡು
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ
ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ
Okay.
ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯ Okay.
So I will.
Do namaste. Anupallavi part. So Pallavi to Anupallavi back 4 times.
सखिये केशी मदन मुदार रमय मया सह मदन मनोरथ भावितया सविकारं सखे केशी मदन मुदार रमय मया सह मदन मनोरथ सविकारं सखे केशि मदन मुदारं रमय मया सह मदन मनोरथ भावितया सविकारं सखे केशि मदन मुदारं रमय मया सह मदन मनोरथ भावितया सविकारं सखे केशि मदन मुदारं
Good.
I sent you off actually.
Yeah. No, I know.
But there is more to the song.
There's more to the song. Point number 2 is that you can't just go on holding your hand every time.
Take her.
You have to take her, hold her, talk to her. Then
Give her
Sakhiye,
those variations
yeah,
and
Sakhiye, listen to me. Do you know what happened? That kind of a thing. Then those kinds of things, which
Okay,
because every time you catch your hand for Sakhiye, it becomes
too
repetitive.
repetitive.
Yeah, it's too repetitive.
Okay.
So you have to think about ways and ways of how do you address
How
yourself.
else
I mean,
I will-
for a long time people are doing Sakhiye. Come on, Sakhiye you can do. You and I are friends, no? But he is my love. I mean, things like that, which you can bring variation in the emotion and variation in the hands also. And there's always Ramaya Maya, Ramaya Maya, Ramaya Maya, Ramaya Maya. So many things. And when you show him, he was like that. He's so handsome. He's so beautiful. He's got a peacock. You're just describing him. Savikaram.
The various
Yeah, the various
aspects
aspects of
of
how he looks. Yeah. So, will you do this Sakhiye? I want to do Sakhiye with Ramaya. Just a variation of how you're going to, what kind of hands you're going
For
to.
the Sakhi.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sakhi. Wait.
Second, okay. 4 times, huh?
Yeah.
सखिये केशि मदन मुदारं रमय मया सह मदन मनोरथ भावितया सविकारं सखिये केशि मदन मुदारं रमय मया सह मदन मनोरथ भावितया सविकारं
Come back to Sakhi. Let's again Sakhi. Let Sakhi go behind you. Catch in both your hands.
केशि मदन मुदारं रमया मया सह मदन मनोरथ भावितया सविकारं सखिये
Pato? This one?
केशे मदन मुदार
Good. So when you were doing this, what did you think was, different between just doing Pallavi and doing Pallavi and Anupallavi together?
The sentences were longer to start. There was more, there was a deeper involvement, and it went a notch higher as in what I was trying to say to the Sakhi.
Yeah. So
I
when
was
the raga
giving her more than
information,
Huh.
yeah. So step by step in this song, she is giving information about her dalliance with Krishna. Okay. So first she says, Sakhi Kesi Madana Budaram. Sakhi, yes, he is Kesi Madana, but he is golden hearted. He's got a heart of gold. He's so loving. He's so lovely. He's so loving. Then she says, when he and I were together. Now, when she's saying he and I were together, do you know when he and I were together? It is not Ramaya.
It's not.
It is-
It's more like.
Yeah. Do you know when he and I were together, what happened? He was like Manmata. She's not saying what happened. She's only saying, do you know when he and I were together, when we were trying to die, what happened? Oh, it was like Sakshat Manmata himself had come and stood there. Do you know that? Okay. Then, when he and I were trying to kiss, what happened? He was so handsome that I was just transfixed looking at his face. Do you know that?
Yeah.
That kind of a thing. So she's not saying whether they actually did something.
Right.
What happened? She's like any two
Like a
friends,
teaser. Literally.
like a teaser. Like any two friends who talk, you give little by little information. You don't give the entire information,
Straight away.
straight away. So she's giving this little information. This happened. Then Ramaya Maya. So it is not Ramaya. You can't look at your hand and experience Ramaya. No. You're looking at Sakhi and saying Ramaya Maya. And then there he was like Manmata himself with all that. He also has that. So it's not he has that, no. He also has that. Peacock.
Okay. So it's more of informing her.
Informing her. So when you can't put you can't give equal time, you can't apportion equal time to Sakhi and to Krishna. No, because Krishna, like I said, is memory. Sakhi
So
is reality. So you are telling her, and like I'm telling you, you're telling her, I met him, and what happened? Oh, I can't tell you this. He was so handsome. It was like that, like he came and stood, like Manmata came and stood in front of me. Like that. Or if Manmata's father came and stood, I was like looking at him, and then that Ramaya, we tried, then I said, so handsome, my God, he also had a peacock feather. Because that's when she gets closer to him. She's just giving little information about thing. So your emotion also has to grow with it. Will you try that now? Sitting down, will you try? Yeah, just the Ramaya.
Sakanta.
Saka. So, where will you go?
ನನಗೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಣಿಸತ್ರ
ಹೆಂಗೆ?
ಆ ಕಡೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಡಿ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡು.
ಸಖಿಯೇ ಮೊದಲಿಂದ ಆಗ ತದರಿ सखी केशे मदन मुदार सखिये केशी मदन मुदारं सखिये केशी मदन मुदारं सखिये केशी मदन मुदारं रमय मया सह मदन मनोरथ भावितया सविकारं सखिये केशी मदन मुदारं रमय मया सह मदन मनोरथ भावितया सविकारं सखिये केशी मदन मुदारं रमय मया सह मदन मनोरथ भावितया सविकारं सखिये केशी मदन मुदारं
Okay.
Beautiful. I love
Was there any difference or no?
Of course, there were so many little new things that happened actually when you got printed.
If you get the emotion from the heart,
So then there is.
then there's a new thing happening.
Right.
Every time you do the same thing. Because it's not about concentrating
Fixing the
the hands. It's not about concentrating on what hand you're doing.
Right.
It's about what are you trying to say. What is the statement you're trying to make and the meaning that you're trying to give.
Yeah. And it really does not matter if the sequence goes here and there, as long as you keep the flow
No.
and the intensity builds.
Intensity goes on building, little by little. Because soon after this is lyrical.
Because very often I feel people fix their hands too much, then the spontaneity is somewhere
Yeah, because
lost.
they're worried about where the hand is going. And whether they should look at the hand, they should look opposite, who is there, who is there. So once you know the character is here, or the character is there, the other character is just, he was there, he was like that, he tried to kiss me, you know.
Ma'am, it was beautiful.
Thank you.
It was just so, you transported us to another world between Radha and Krishna. I had just one observation that you really hadn't fixed your hands, and what you had taught me, 1, 2, 3, 4 were all in a different sequence when you actually performed, but it still did not disturb the choreography and the flow of the emotion. So it really is not important to fix it. It's more important to be clear with this.
See, the thing about Abhinaya, which I always say, the reason we say that you have to have a certain level of maturity before you start doing Abhinaya is because you have to be comfortable with the hands and know the language of the hastas, the language of the mudras, and be very comfortable using them so that you don't concentrate on that. You concentrate more on the emotional build-up, you concentrate on the Sakhi that you're talking to, what she could be, what she could be thinking, how do you convince her that this man is really worth it, the one that you've fallen in love with.
And this was beautiful when you
Thank
were doing
you.
it. It was just like, so many new things happened when you were actually
I think I think what is important is that if you don't fix the hands, and if you're, you know, in your mind, it's like when somebody's singing, and they do a raga alapane or something, or like a ragam tanam pallavi when they sing,
It's
and
alive.
it's alive.
Yeah.
So you don't know the magic of which point is the high point of that particular, sangati. I mean that particular meter, right? So like that, even here the high point should be different. Once the high point may be
So
Saki.
when you've done an item so many times over, how do you keep that magic alive? How do you make sure you're not repeating those?
Because I don't remember what I did. If you
So it's
ask,
an advantage.
yes, it's a huge advantage. Because if you ask me to do it again now, I
It'll be
don't.
different.
Yes, because I don't remember what I did in terms of hands, hastas or mudras I use. I don't remember, but I do know the feeling of the song. I do know what I'm trying to convey. So when I do it again, it's a new thing.
Yeah.
So we've been arguing. When people say that Bharatanatyam is stagnant, it's it's like a grammar that you go on practicing and you keep on bringing out. That there's no spontaneity, there's no creativity, and I keep saying no. There's spontaneity every minute. There's creativity every minute, depending on the psychological state of the dancer,
Right.
the emotional state of the dancer, and her intellectual state.
And also, I think a certain risk that you have to take to
Yeah.
not keep fixing things.
Yes, because when you fix things, and you practice it million times over, you're doing the same thing.
Yeah.
So there's no newness to it.
Right.
There's no newness to it. But if you follow the heart and say, this is the song, I know it well, this is situation, and I'm supposed to do this like this. So each time you try to do it and tell something, you're conveying it differently.
But it would be advisable to keep a structure, I guess. To keep
It is very advisable for people who are just getting into doing the item for the first few times to have a structure, yes. But for me, the structure is the sthai of my heroine,
Okay.
and the structure is what she is trying to convey in that particular song. And how well do I know the lyrics of the song? So if I know the lyrics, I know the situation, you can play on it, and you can do many different things. Sakanta. Huh? Thank you. So in the next class we'll do the charanam then, Nibruta Nikunja, which I treat as the first charanam, which actually is how the song starts. Yeah.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಬಿಟ್ಟು
Thank you. Namaskar. Yeah.